Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Wiser Notes from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up WhatsApp. Then get into a conversation. And right here, as you can see, I got some voice note. And in order to save this note to my device, you can save your notes or your recipient's notes. All you have to do is just hold down on that message, and then hit at forward. Now, you are able to check mark multiple messages at once. If you got more than one wise note, you can check mark all of them. And once you did that, just hit right here at that share icon. And then scroll down until you find Save to Files. Option just stop on that. On that step, you are able to set a name for the note. I'm just gonna enter new note. And also you are able to select the exact folder. I'm just gonna save it to downloads. So, now I can just hit a save to save this audio to my device. And then you can hop out WhatsApp. Then open up Files app. And right here at that Downloads folder, I can scroll down now and see new note in that simple way. You can download and save voice notes from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorial playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.